Hi, it's Julie here from Renovating Made Easy, and today I want to show you a quick and simple way to start searching for your agent who will be selling your beautifully renovated property. So when you're flipping houses, the aim of the game is to make a profit, right? So you put a lot of hard work into choosing your suburb, finding the right property, making sure that your renovation is tailored towards your target market. But the last important step is finding the agent that's going to sell your house for you very quickly and at a great price. So I'll share my screen with you and show you a great place to start for searching for your agent. Back onto realestate.com.au, my favourite searching tool. Instead of buy, which comes up, I'm going to come across here to the tab that says compare agents. And it automatically comes up with agents by location. So let's assume that we've just renovated a house in Bayswater in Perth, and I want to compare agents that are selling properties in that suburb. So it's sorted by property sales as lead agent, and I'm going to keep the property type as all and the time frame as 12 months in the past 12 months. So here you can see that Carlos has sold the most properties in Bayswater at 23 at a median sale price of $645 and median days advertised of 77. 77 isn't too bad in Perth's market at the moment. So I'm going to add him to my list that I'm comparing. Paul, he's obviously second in Bayswater, but what I'd like to find out more about is median days advertised 43. He sounds like he's selling them quite quickly. Gary and Daniel Warren have also sold a lot of properties in the area, so I'd like to talk to them. Now, just scrolling down, there's obviously a lot of agents in the area, and I don't want to overwhelm myself by talking to too many, but I would like to talk to Steve here because his median days advertised is 27, which is pretty awesome, actually. And then I'll see here Natalie. She's been recommended to me by a friend, so I definitely want to compare her to the others. So now that I've got 5, I'm going to come down here to View Compare and click on that. And what realestate.com.au has done for me is search the property, sort the agents into the number sold, and they've further filtered it into houses, apartments, townhouses, and other. I assume other is blocks of land or something else. And you can also scroll across here and it tells you what their average days on market is and the years that they've actually been in real estate selling. So it's a really good way to start. Obviously, you want to meet them and talk to them and make sure that you connect with the agent and that agent connects with your property. You can also view each of the agent's profiles. Let's just have a look at Natalie here. And you can see that the areas that she's sold the most houses in. But what I want to look at is the houses that she's actually sold in Bayswater, my suburb that I want to be selling in. So here I'm going to sort her sales into Bayswater and have a look at the types of properties and the presentation, etc., of the houses that she's sold in Bayswater. So that is a really great way to start your search. Obviously, there's more to it than that. And the best time to do that is at the beginning of your renovation. You want to be speaking to the agents before you even start to make sure that you're on the right track with what you're intending to do. And they're the people on the ground in that suburb with the experience, and they'll give you the advice that you need to make sure that your renovation suits the target market and therefore sells quickly at the end for the price that you want. So I hope you found that useful. If you have found it useful, make sure you give me a thumbs up and comment below if you've got any questions or if you've got anything to add. And in the meantime, happy renovating.